Hello, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back, everybody. What's up? Happy Friday. Glory be to God. Happy Friday. Man, I am excited. This is the last day of the week. Let's end on a good note, y'all. Good morning to y'all. Hope y'all having a great morning. Hope you ate good this morning. I didn't eat nothing this morning. All I got is my usual bottle of water. Right? Glad to see y'all in the chat. Let's get it. Another day. Another day, man. Excuse me. Y'all know, first things first, we gotta spread that word. That's first. So let's get into it. We have Ecclesiastes chapter 11, verse 4. But there are some things that you cannot be sure of. You must take a chance. If you wait for the perfect weather, you will never plant your seeds. If you are afraid that every cloud will bring rain, you will never harvest your crops. Guys, remember this. If you wait for the perfect timing, right? You wait for the perfect weather, you wait for that perfect moment, you will never plant your seeds. You're going to procrastinate. You're going to find yourself constantly pushing it off. You know, why not right now? Right? Why not right now? Why not? Why not ask God, talk to God and say, hey, God, I need some help. I've been procrastinating, doubting, worrying, stress, anxiety. God, I need you right now. Can you help me? Right? Can you be a lamp to my feet and a light to my path? Right? Talk to God. I do the same thing. I need to talk to God. When I'm worried, when I'm stressed, when I'm thinking that this ain't the right time, remember this. You may throw the dice, but God determines how they fall. He's going to determine how they fall. The Lord is going to determine how they fall. Right? Glory be to God. Let's get it, y'all. Don't wait to plant your seeds. If you want to do something, do it now. Right now. You know? All right. Good morning to everybody. Look, we're gonna get into it, y'all. We're gonna get into it. Market opens up in like 26 more minutes. We had this big push. I'm gonna come back to this word. If we get more people in here, I'm gonna come back to this word. So let's get to it. In Q, we have ES. We use them as confluence, right? Go to a daily. I like to start on a higher time frame to see what kind of bias we might have for the day. Yesterday we pretty much ranged, right? Yesterday we tapped into this 4-hour demand zone, right? We got the low right here, we got the high right there, and look, today we're above the high. We're above the previous day's high. Big jump, big bounce, right? Straight to longs. Because remember, we thought this market was going to tank, but what was the factor in this? The higher time frame says that we are still long, even though that it did look short and that the shorts looked like they wanted to come in yesterday. Even though, right, it looked like, hey, we might be going for a retracement and for a correction to the shorts, right? It looked like it yesterday. It looked like it, but if we don't get breaker structure, we don't get the follow through, right? No breaker structure, no follow through. So what we look like we're doing right now is we're bouncing. We're having a, hold up, mouse, what are you doing? What are you doing, mouse? We bounce, right? Look at that, we bounce. Same thing as ES, we bounce. On a weekly, we bounce. Y'all see it? We bounce on a weekly. And it looks like we're going to continue along. And go for them high liquidities. Maybe this high up here, you know? But we still got these highs that we gotta take out, you know? So I'm gonna place these markers up here. Make them green so they can look good. Make them green. But good morning to everybody though. Make sure you give your cares and your worries to God. Because he cares for you, he loves you. All right, let's start. Let's look at this daily. So the weekly looks long, right? The weekly looks long. So that's my buy. That's my confirmation number one for the longs. On a daily, we above the previous day high. That's my second confirmation for the longs, right? We above the previous day high on ES, and we above the previous day high on NQ. Previous day high, previous day low. I like that. I like what I see. So that's confirmation number two. See if we can get a retracement back into that previous day high and go for a long. My target is gonna be this wick up here. That's my target. I'm gonna call that target. Right? What's up, Joel? Yo. I'm gonna say target. I'm gonna call that target. Right? Target. I'm gonna do that for I'm gonna do the same thing for ES. Say that's a target. Target. Alright. We got two confirmations for the long. Two confirmations for the long. Actually, three confirmations for the long because we didn't get the break of structure. The bounce at the 4 hour, right? We got the bounce at the 4 hour. Bop. We didn't get the break of structure. How do you know we didn't get the break of structure? Right here. Did we get the break of structure right here? No. We didn't get the break of structure right there, right? So we had a reversal. So we had the reverse. Now, if we got the break of structure, we would have had the what? Continuation down. So we got the reversal. Oh, we got an imbalance right here. Hey, look at this. We might come back down. We got a big imbalance right here. Look at that. Imbalance. That's an imbalance. Also on ES2 as well. Hold up. We do have an imbalance below. You going for longs on market open? Hey, we'll see. We might have a retracement. If we have a retracement back into my zone, I'm taking the longs. Now, if we continue long and hit that target, then, you know, I'm going to try to see if I can scalp it. But I want to see a target. I want to see my target get hit first, and then I catch a long. But let's move on. Let's get rid of this. So we got an imbalance below. That's just a warning. Hold up. What is going on? What is going on? So look, let's see what we got right here. Look, my target is for these highs. I'm targeting these highs. But I would like to see a retracement. Since we're so overextended, I would like to see us retrace. Right? I would like to see us retrace like this. Bop. Bounce somewhere up in here, maybe up in here, who knows? And then bop. That's what I'm looking for. This is what I'm looking for. Right? That's what I'm looking for. An entry somewhere in here. I want an entry somewhere in here. And if we don't get that, then we might continue pushing along. Yeah? When market open. Market opens up in 20 more minutes. Alright. So what else we got? We got ES, we got NQ, we above the previous day high, we got three confirmations. Weekly looking long. Daily is above the previous day high. And on a 4 hour, we have the 4 hour bounce of the band, and we didn't get break of structure, and we went long, right? We got above this high right here. Long. So that's three confirmations for the long. What's another confirmation for the long? We have three confirmations for the long. See what else we got? Look at a 1 hour. Right? What else we got on a 1 hour? We have entry points. We have a fair value gap, a 1 hour fair value gap. Let me see if I have that right. 1 hour FVG, right? We also got a 1 hour demand zone right here. 1 hour FVG and a 1 hour demand. Also on ES. If we get the retracement back down to the previous day high. Alright, what else we got? Let's see. Liquidity. Lots of liquidity. Do another target right here. Just more targets, right? Put this as liquid. I want make me liquid. How you say in the movie? Make me liquid, Jamie. Make me liquid. When he went to JP Morgan and he wanted to get funded. I don't know if you ever saw that. He said, "Make me liquid, Jamie." I forgot the movie was called. What's that movie called? He went to JP Morgan and he was a high net worth individual. Let me see if I can find it. We Crashed. That was the movie called We Crashed. We Crashed. All right, let's see. We so extended. What I want to take a long up here? Hecky nah. Not like no. Like why would I want to take a long up here? Would you want to take a long up here? Look how extended we are. Now if we can get a retracement, maybe down to this spot right here. Possible. Can we respect this? Can we respect this? Can we respect this? This spot right here. Can we respect this? I would like to see us respect this. Right? We got a demand zone with a fair value gap and a point where we probably could bounce off of. We can see more confirmation. That's all I want. The more confirmation, the better, right? The more confirmation, the better. The more confirmation, the better. We got our fair value gaps. We got our 1 hour demand. We got our entry points. This is our entry. This right here is our entry. Somewhere in here, we're going to catch an entry if we get the pullback. Right? Oh, my bad. And we're targeting this right here. This is our targets. We want to get liquid up here. All right? Because my confirmation was long. So we're going to see. We're going to see. We're tapping into some liquidity right now as we speak. We're going to see a retracement as we speak. I want to see an entry around that 950 level. I want to see an entry around 950. Like I want to see us respect 950. That's my target. Right? Yes, sir. All right, let's see what else. We see if we got any more zones. Let's see if we got any more zones. Look at a 15-minute. Right? Let's look at a 15-minute. We got a 15-minute fair value gap. We already got a fair value gap. I don't need to put it again. It's already there. A lot of noise. A lot of noise. Once market open, we're gonna see where this market gonna go. If it's gonna continue to go higher and push, or we're gonna go shorter and get a retracement and get in long. So my bias of the day is long, and I'm looking for retracement. That's the play. I'm trying to see if we have any more zones that I need to see we can bounce off of, but for the most part, oh wait a minute. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if he's gonna give it to us. That's not how you spell respect. Definitely how you spell respect. Just want to see if we respect these spots. Right? Just want to see. Okay. So we got on the 15-minute right here. Nothing. Got a lot of liquidity up here that lies above. Yes. Target is above. Yes. Target is there. Boom. All right. We're going to see. Glory be to God. Put your faith in the Lord Jesus Christ. And let him establish your ways and your path. Remember that, guys. Remember that. See what we got right here. Blessed is the one who does not, Psalms chapter 1 verse 1. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked. Since we got time before this market open, I'm going to spread this word to y'all. Blessed is the one who does not walk in the step with the wicked. Right? We bless when we don't walk with the wicked. Or stand in the way with that, or stand in the way that sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers, but whose delight is in the law of the Lord, because his law is perfect. And who meditates on his law day and night. When we're constantly reading the Bible, when we're constantly meditating on his word, when we're constantly in continuation in prayer with him, when we're constantly seeking his guidance, seeking his love, seeking his respect, seeking everything that's good and holy from God, we're blessed, right? That person is like a tree planted by streams of water. When we're seeking God, we're like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, whose leaves do not wither, whatever they do prospers. If we continue to seek God, if we continue to seek his love, if we continue to seek his law, if we continue to obey his law, we will bear good fruits. We will continue to be a stream of water that bear good fruits. There's no denying it. He is infinite wisdom. Because remember, the beginning of the fear of God is the beginning of wisdom. Right? if we obey God and we show respect to God and we love God and we obey his law, he will bless us. As he sits on a throne above us and we are his footstool, he hears all, he sees all, he knows all. Ask yourself this question. Can he hear? The one that formed your eyes? Can he hear the one that forms your eyes? My bad. Can he hear the one that forms your ears? Can he see the one that forms your eyes? I said that kind of backwards, but you get what I'm saying. He formed it all. He hears it all. He sees it all. He knows it all. Sorry for that mix up. But God bless y'all, you know. Seek the Lord and he will establish your ways. Let the Lord be a lamp to your feet and a light to your path. Remember that. Ask yourself, can he hear the one that forms your ear? Can he see the one that forms your eyes? Yes, he can. He sees it. He's watching. And there's going to be a day of judgment. So meditate on his day. Meditate on his law day and night. And you will be like a tree planted. You will be like a tree that's planted by a stream of water. And you will yield fruit in your season. Right? You will be blessed. Also, we have Ecclesiastes chapter 11, verse 4. But there are some things that you cannot be sure of. You must take a chance in this life. If you wait for the perfect weather, you will not plant your seeds. Don't wait. Jump in it now. Devote yourself to God now. Give your life to him now. Do that good thing that you was planning to do now. If you are afraid that every cloud will bring rain, you will never harvest your crops. You will never harvest your crops. Remember that. You may throw the dice, but God determines how they fall. I went most of my life trying to seek things of myself. What's up, Abdul? I went my whole life seeking things of myself. I built a whole YouTube empire. I really went up to millions on just millions of followers, made lots of money, but I didn't seek God. And I watched it get swept underneath me. Watched it get swept, and I tried my best to hold it up. Tried my best, and I seen it swept. Some people may say I fell off, but hey, at least I fell on my feet. At least I fell on my feet, right? I watched it get swept under my feet. Watched it all. If you don't seek Lord, there's going to be a time where you're going to have to fall down. Seek the Lord. You will be like a tree that's planted. Seek the Lord. You'll be like a tree that's planted. Look at verse 3. The person is like a tree planted by the streams of water. He who meditates on his law day and night will be like a tree planted. You will yield your fruit in season. Give it to God. You will have good fruits, right? Let's get it. All right. So this market is pushing up higher, right? Not much, man. We've seen this market is extended. Long, long, long. It looks like it's trying to go now. Yes, he is. He never leaves. You're right. He never leaves. So we just hit a wall, right? We just tapped into some liquidity. We're gonna see if we can continue to take out this liquidity. Call this liquid. Make me liquid. I'm looking for an entry though. I'm looking for an entry. I don't want to get in long right here. I don't see. I don't want to, I don't want to have a big stop. Right? Let's say if I got in right here, right? Let's say if I got in right here. If I would have got in right here, pop. Look how big this stop is just to take out this. What sense does this make? What sense does this make? Now it might go through, but look at this. Look at this imbalance. Oh my goodness. We also got a 15-minute fair value gap right here. 15-minute fair value gap right there. Continue to seek God, y'all. Continue to seek him. Continue to seek him. I'm not perfect either, but I'm gonna continue to seek him. Even when I sin, I gotta find him. I gotta look for him. I gotta know him. Search for him. He's there. But if you continue to ask for his voice, ask for him to talk to you, speak to you, man, I wish I could show you. I want to show y'all this video. Oh my goodness, man. Y'all would not believe it. Y'all would not believe it. Y'all would not believe it. Y'all would not believe it, bro. I have a video, but y'all would not believe it, bro. Y'all would not believe what happened. Y'all would not believe what happened if I told y'all what happened, bro. Y'all would not believe this story, bro. And I really believe it was an encounter with God. Y'all would not believe it. Oh my goodness. But yeah, like why would I get it here long? Look how extended we are. What if we would have failed back down? Nah, man, that's not a good entry. I mean, I could have. Nah, look, don't get me wrong. Don't get me wrong. I could put my stop right here at this low. I could touch these liquidity points right here. I could. But that's just not my style. It's not my style. Now, if you get it long in this trade, good job. You about to hit your first TP. You about to get liquid. You about to get liquid. If you hit your first TP right here, market opens up in 8 more minutes. Do we have any news? Do we have any news? And we already had core retail sales and the Fed manufacturing index. That was at 7:30. 9 o'clock, we got consumer confidence. I can't wait for that one. Not a red folder, but we'll see the market move. We have consumer confidence. Consumer confidence. Remember that. Be confident. Bob. See what this is. See what that look like. Hold on 1 minute. Yeah. No. There we go. That could have been a good trade, but at what cost? What cost to get into this trade? How many ticks was that? That was 100 ticks. Ooh. That was 100 ticks. Oh my goodness. Wow. 100 ticks, eh? What is that? About 18, 17 points? Wow, 18 points. 100 ticks. We didn't even hit the liquid. We didn't even tap into it yet. Would have been a good trade. Good trade, but I missed it. I don't like overextension. That's not my style, y'all. Y'all know how I roll. ES is still pushing. ES is still pushing. Market opens up in 6 more minutes. 6 more. 6 more, you know? Alright. We're just waiting. Ugh. We might continue long. I might get in a long right here. If we don't just come all the way down so fast. Market opens up in 5 more minutes. And we will look for a trade. We will look for a trade. Make sure everything's running good on stream. Let me know in the chat if anything lags out or whatever. Something crazy, like if the chart's not loading. Let me know. Let me know in the chat. Market opens up in 6 more minutes. All right, we're having a retracement. We didn't tap it. Did we tap into that liquidity? Did we? Let's see. No, we did not. We did not touch the liquidity. We barely touched it. We barely touched the tip of it. The tippy top of it. Barely. Close enough, though. See if we can get a nice retracement and respect right here. Might take a quick long. A quickie. See what we got. What is, I don't like these type of fair value gaps, by the way. This ain't my favorite fair value gaps, but hey, they'll do. Wow, we just retraced it back. No hesitation. Respect on that fair value gap. Nice respect. Also, we didn't tap into this point right here, this high right here, which is interesting. So we got 3 minute. Bye. Remember, God is with you. Like Abdul said, God is with us at all times. Yes, He is. Every time, every second, every moment. He is now. He's in them now, right now. Talk to Him right now. If you have to talk to God, do it right now. Right? Let's do it. Pray, Lord Jesus, that you give us clarity. I pray that our trades work out, and that you help us, give us discernment and wisdom. Let's go. Wow, we just got that pushback so fast. Perfect bounce though. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute. Man, that's beautiful. That was a beautiful move. Market's about to open up in 2 more minutes, y'all. 2 more minutes, we get the market open. And we are so extended. So extended. Wow. Wow, look at that push. Look at that push. Look at that push. Wow, look at that push. Big, nice little bounce off that move. Wow, nice push. All right, let's see. Look, we might have to. Hey, if we don't get no retracement, or a good entry, it look like we're already coming out for that liquidity. Man, wow. Y'all see that, right? Wow, wow, wow. That was the bounce. I was thinking about getting a long right here too, because I love how the setup was looking. Amazing. How many ticks was that? Amazing. That was 200 ticks. Oh my goodness. 40, 50 points. 200 ticks, 50 points. Oh my goodness. We took out that liquidity. Psh. Wow, I should have took that trade. But who wants to take a trade 2 minutes before market open? Not me. That's scary. 200 ticks, 50 points in less than 2 minutes. Wow. And I was just thinking about getting into a long. Just thinking about getting into a long. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. So look, we just touched into this liquidity, right? Literally just touched the liquidity. Get rid of all of this. ES is still yet to touch it, so we're gonna see. ES is still yet to touch it, so we're gonna see. Might get a continuation with NQ. We're gonna see. ES is still looking for them longs. All right. What else we got? Retracement. Might get some more retracement back down to the 70s. Back down to the 70s. If we get a retracement back down to the 70s, I want to go back for a long. But if we go back down to my zone, then we can get a better long. Get back down to my zone. Let me look at a daily one more time. Yeah. Yeah. Market opens up in 5 seconds. 5 seconds, y'all. Let's get it. Turn this down. This thing bumping in my ear. Get back on. There we go. 570. We have 570. Can we get that retracement back up to the longs? Maybe not. All right, we going down. Look at that 1 hour. We ain't get the break structure on the 1 hour. On the 4 hour, we might get that push. Let's see. Got the tap. Got the tippy tap. Wait till this market kind of like settle down, y'all. Wow. Big push. Big push. We just tapped that and just bounced. Wow. Wow. Amazing. Hey, I was looking for a retracement, but I didn't expect it to go that fast. Oh my, like it literally just tapped and bounced. Wow. We just went down and absorbed in like a second. And I was looking for that 70 level, but it's a little chop. Tap, man, they hit that point so perfectly. Oh my goodness. We're gonna see. We are hitting some liquidity, y'all. ES is yet to hit it though. ES is yet to hit it. Right? We're gonna see. All right. Still waiting, y'all. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting. Still waiting on the move. Rejection. Rejection. Are we getting rejection off the liquidity? What about ES? Let's see. Look at a 1 hour. We're going to see. It's getting highly volatile around here. Real volatile. Just getting more confirmation before I take this long. Moving sideways. Gotta be patient until we get a break of structure. We're moving sideways. Market's not clear. What's up, Nick? What's good, Nick? Nicolas. If you don't mind. Oh, the shorts coming in? No way. No way. Nah, I don't believe it. No way. May come back a little bit, but no way. Tap into some liquidity. Now we drop. What about ES though? Just waiting for more confirmation. 5-minute prints in 30 seconds. Not much, man. Ready to catch this move. Ready to get out this range. Should have took that long when I saw it, which I would have been like out the loop. Okay, you bounced like 5 times. Okay. Okay, ready to get the breaker structure on that. Go down to a 5-minute. Alright, what's going on right here? We're gonna see. There is an area where I like to see us get into. I'm gonna have to ooh, them longs coming in. Jeez. If we got any other area of interest that I can take out of? Oh, that high right here. I forgot about this. Oh shoot. How did I miss that? How did I miss that? How did I miss that? Hold up. Okay, we didn't get the breaker structure. Next target is up here. I want to see this target get taken out. TP1 maybe? Maybe TP1? We have some liquidity right now. ES is trying to go for that long. We still got some liquidity at the lows to take out for ES. On a 5-minute. 5-minute demand on ES right here. We getting that push on NQ. I think we getting that break. Then we getting that break for the longs. We ain't get that 5-minute. I think it's gonna go long. Might have to take this trade, y'all. Might have to take this trade. Might gotta take this trade to 147. No way. We are so extended. So extended. And do we get the 5-minute breaker structure? I just want the breaker structure. That's all I want. I don't care how extended the market is. I just want to get a breaker structure. If we don't come back down to my zone, which my zone was this 1 hour, this 1 hour right here, right? If we don't come back down to this right here, this 1 hour fair value gap with this 1 hour demand zone, this previous day high, and we stay above in this area and we continue to push, I want to get into a long. I want to see the market respect. We got 2 minutes into the 5-minute, but we keep rejecting. We got the long on a 1 minute, which is cute and all, but it would be nice to see a 1 minute. We'll see 1 minute respect. I would like to see that. I would like to see a 2 minute respect. Well, unless we get the push. 3 minute well, we get the push. And a 5 minute. I would like to see the 5 minute respect this, and then we go long. I don't want to just see the 1 minute respect and then we shoot up, because that can be danger of dropping back down. I don't want to be in danger of dropping back down and losing profits off of that, because we're not getting the 1 through 5 minute breaker structure, and I need to see the close. It gotta close above this. I gotta see a close above this. Candle close. Candle close. Wait, that's how you spell candle? No, you don't. Candle close. 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Right? I gotta see it. I just gotta see it. We got the 1 minute close. Then we get the 2 minute. We get that push. 3 minute. 5 minute. 3 minute. We gonna keep running into some problems. ES is trying to go for them highs though, which I like, which is giving me more confirmation that the ES wants to go long. But I want to see NQ follow suit. I don't want to see it juggle around in this area and then reject. I want to see 1 minute. I want to see the 1 minute close, which we got. I want to see the 2 minute close above, which we didn't get. I want to see the 3 minute close above, which we didn't get, and I want to see the 5 minute. Until then, I'm not taking this trade. I don't care if it did pump. Right? And we above this liquidity, which I like this block though. Okay, 1 minute again. 2 minute, where you at? 3 minute, got it. 5 minute, okay, here can I push. I would like this. Yeah, it might be pushing up, but we're gonna see. Remember that. We ain't gonna hesitate. No hesitation. Either it's respecting or it's not. I want to see more confirmation. I need more confirmation. 5 minute close, and yeah, I'll take it. 30 seconds, 20 seconds on this 5 minute. ES is trying to push more to this liquidity. I could be in late, but hey, it is what it is. I'd rather take it late than take it early. And then get a crazy drop. For what? Why get a crazy pump? Because there's volatility, and then it drops crazy. If it can pump crazy, it can drop crazy. I need more confirmation. 1 minute's about to close. 2 minutes about to close. 3 minutes about to close. 5 minutes just printed. I might get into a long. If I can get a small retracement back into this point, right here, I'm gonna get into a long. Can we get that small retracement? Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. We're gonna see. Can we get a tiny it's pushing. It doesn't even care. I'm looking to get it long right here. And put my stop at this low. And targeting this high. For 88 ticks. It didn't tap it. Come on, give me the entry. Give me the entry. Give me the entry. Come on. Give me that entry. Come on. I want to see a retracement. Come on, give me a retracement. 2 minute close. I might say hell it and take it. I'm taking it. So you're just not going to get me in the trade. Gotcha. Don't get back out of it. Put my stop, bro, come on. Put my stop below this low. 590. TP. Up here. Quick TP. Risking more than what I'm making. Ew. I really wanted to add in more right here. I wanted to get in right here though. I don't like that. I'm gonna take out one. I don't like that. I don't like that. Add more if we respect this. I want to see us respect this. Finally, we got into it. I want to see us respect this right here, and then we pop back up. Yes, it's finally trying to push up. Come on, let's respect that. Pick on that drop. Take it slow. Okay. Okay. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I got a hard stop though. Hard stop. Just give us the respect. We get the respect, we get the push. Wait, hold on. Let me take off these executions. Hold on. I'm so sorry. Let me take off these executions. My bad. Let me take off the executions. I think that's slowing me down. Ah, we didn't get that respect. Might come back down here. We're gonna see. I'm gonna hold it. Gotta respect the trade. I'm gonna add more if we do respect it. First trade. This is our first trade. This is my first trade, by the way. Add more to this. I'm in 16. Our first TP is up here. Can we get that push? Can we get that push? I don't know, looking rough. Looking rough, looking tough. Looking rough, looking tough. Let's go. If not, then we know we're gonna have that big drop. I don't like that. Well, I like that. Okay, that candle was a good one, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I just need to see more respect. Mean candle, mean inversion. I don't like that. It's a tough trade. I ain't gonna lie. It's a tough trade. All right, stopped out. Big stop. That's okay though. We'll look for another entry. We're going for shorts today. Oh boy said we're going for shorts today. All right, Randall, let's see. I'll short this, remember it. Let's see. All right, so we got a lot of people fading me. Y'all fading me right now. We tied this to some liquidity, now we fading. See what we got. I like that. I like that. Now if we do get a retracement, I'll take it. If we get the retracement, I'll take it. If you want the shorts, go ahead. There's a lot of volume of shorts too. That's a lot. A lot of them. A lot of shorts in this market right now. A lot of shorts. Man, we barely could even tap into the liquidity. Unbelievable. Meme say he's shorting it. Random say he's shorting it. They say they shorting it. Let's go. I want to see it. Meme said they're shorting it. Ram said they're shorting it. If y'all shorting it, I'm longing it. I'm gonna put a tight stop. Actually, let me get out some right here. I wanna see it. Hold on, I'm gonna get out some right here. Right there. I wanna see it hold up. I'm still looking for longs. I'm still looking for longs. Y'all looking for shorts? I'm looking for longs. We're about to see another account announcement tonight. Wait. Wait, what? Random, you funny. That boy said we about to see another account announcement tonight. Oh my goodness. Bro, you ain't gotta do me like that, bro. Don't do me like that, bro. I know I'm a little crazy, but dang. You gotta do me like that, bro. Criminal offense. So we about to see another one tonight. Oh my goodness. Why you do me that? If you're in the short, good short. I know somebody gonna be like, I got in at 22-120 and I'm out. But that's a good short though. Big retracement though. I don't like that. Here it come. As we underneath the two. $30 seconds on this 5 minute. And out. We're out. That's all good. It is what it is. I tried my best on that trade. Thought it was gonna play out. Thought it was gonna take out another high and at least take out more on ES, but I tried it. Let's see what we got. What's next? I said we about to see another account announcement tonight. Amazing. Shorts are heavy. See if we can respect this area. See if we can respect this area and bounce. I want to see us respect this. We broke this. That's invalid. We have this, but that's old news. Shorts coming in heavy. Big heavy. Still got liquidity above. I'm still waiting though. See if we can recover our losses back. Hold on, let me move this over. I wonder why it looks like that. There we go, so y'all can see it. Up and center. So y'all can see the losses. There y'all go. Hold up, right there, pop. Alright, let's see. We was extended though, overextended. What time do you usually short start your live? I always wake up and you're already up. 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock Central. 8 o'clock, my boy. 8 o'clock. If you're in that short, good short. Good job, because I don't see no buyers on these books. At all. At all. Unbelievably though. On this weird looking move. Such the ugliest move. Could even do this or like just sold off. Yeah, you might say, oh, we took out some liquidity, but man, yes, barely even tapped into it. Big sell off. Patience, 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 patience. Shorts are heavy. Big heavy. Oh, Bible chart of the day? You got it. Bible of the chapter of the day is, but there are some things that you cannot be sure of. Ecclesiastes chapter 11, verse 4. Some things you cannot be sure of. You must take a chance. If you wait for the perfect weather, you will never plant your seeds. If you are afraid that every cloud will bring rain, you will never harvest your crops. Remember that, guys. We can't wait for that perfect timing. Either we're gonna do it now. Whatever it is, we do it now. Whatever that thing may be, we give it to God, we call on Him, and we do it now. Remember that, guys. There's no perfect timing. We might throw the dice, but God determines how they fall. And also, we have Psalms chapter 1, verse 1. Blessed is the one who does not walk in step with the wicked. You're blessed when you don't walk with the wicked. Or stand in the way that sinners take. Or sit in the company of mockers. But whose delight is in the law of the Lord. Who meditates on His law day and night. That person that meditates on God's law is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do, prosper. So if we continue to follow the law, continue to meditate and communicate with God, we're going to have a due season where we're going to prosper and yield our fruits. Glory be to God. And also, don't procrastinate on planting your fruits. Planting your seeds. You never know when it's the perfect time, the perfect weather. You never know when it's the perfect weather. It may be the right time to have a kid now, to follow God now, to go get them groceries right now. Go do the right thing, y'all. Call on the Lord. Let Him establish your ways. Let Him establish your ways, and He will be a lamp to your feet and a light to your path. All right, so we did come down. Y'all was right. I gotta give it to you. I gotta be humble and have humility. Y'all was right. The shorts did come in. I missed the shorts. The buys did dry up. The sellers did come in. Y'all was right. I give it to y'all. Try to see what happens right here. Ooh, we got some time left. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for it. I forgot macro. You know what's crazy? I forgot macro time. You know macro time, Random. 8:50 to 9:10, or anything between the last 10 minutes of an hour to the beginning of the first 10 minutes of an hour, like 8:50 to 9:10, is usually the short hour. I wasn't paying attention. I was hoping it was gonna pop a little bit more. I wasn't paying attention. Yep, broke these highs, came down, reject, 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 reject. We're gonna see. Can we pop on news? Right? I might take a long right here. I might do a long of. I might do a long of. Let's see. I guess I can wait. I'll wait. Man, this wick is crazy on this 1 hour, especially on the 4 hour too. Interesting. Big rejection. See if we can get this big rejection. Nah, bro, you got this. Thank you, sir. Appreciate the support. Absorption. Are we breaking? Yeah, man. Let's grind it lower. 2 minutes. All right, 2 more minutes. I should wait. Just be patient. Let this market just chop around. Let this market just yap around, chop around. We're gonna try to get our losses back. We're gonna get our losses back. And then get more. Just gotta wait for our zones. That's all I'm waiting for is a zone. Market closes. We got, hey, new prints, time frame prints in 1 minute. Get ready. Man, that's a big wick. Like, you know what's crazy? I wasn't expecting this wick. I wasn't expecting that off this. It just didn't look good to me. That's why I didn't really like it. I wasn't expecting. I was expecting a nice little pop maybe right here and then boom. Little beam bam. All right, we're coming into this 15 minute. I mean, this 5 minute on ES. See if we can get a retracement and go long. And if not, then we might see a continuation down to the shorts of the previous day low. Here come shorts. Bop, bop, bop. And absorption. And shorts. All right. Here we go. Here we go. 10 seconds, y'all. 10 seconds. Here we go. Wipe the sweats off your hands. Let me know if y'all up. Who's up? Y'all took that short. I'll short this. Remember it. Meme, you up? I know you up like 5 G's, bro. I know random you up too, bro. I know y'all up right now. Y'all gotta be up like 3 to 5 G's. Gotta be. Off this short alone, gotta be up. Ain't no way. Ain't no way you're not up right now. Let me know. This is a good short. All right, market just printed. Big drop. Can we get the respect? Let's see. Let's see. Might take this long. Put my stop below the lows. That's 175 in loss. Wow. I can keep it. Tap that line. 15 minute. Actually, let me see if it respects this. Actually, yeah. What am I doing? ES got the, let's see, ES respect. Can ES respect that? And go long. Nope, not respecting it. We'll see. I know this looks short though. You see? You know what? I'm gonna get out of this a little bit. I wanna get more confirmation. Cause it's starting to look shorter. Yeah, it's starting to look shorter. See if we can respect this. We're gonna see. Okay. 2.5 G. That's what's up. That's what I like to see, my boy. That's why I like to see you, my boy. Respect. Bounce. That's heavy. I'm gonna have to get out of that. That's heavy. Wait, why am I in another one? Hold up. I didn't mean to get into another trade. What the world? Alright, here we go. Here we go. I was tripping for a second. I'm like, why am I in another trade? That's heavy right here. It's getting tough right here. I gotta be careful. See if we can hold this level. I would think we can. Goodness. Guess I'm gonna add 5 right here. See if we can hold this. Put my stop back below this low. Yeah. This is a tricky one. I'm shocked. I'm shocked that he doesn't want to give us that move. And I think it's going to be rangy because right here. We might see a short, y'all. I got to be careful. Got to be real careful right here. It's looking risky. I don't know. See what my target gonna be. Wow. Chop City. Oh, wow. Wow, people added and they just chopped them up. This market is vicious. I might have to get ready for these shorts. Here they come. Yeah. Wow. Might take out of that. Wow. Wow, these shorts are crazy. I'm gonna get out of this. They got more liquidity that lies below, I think. It's a tough day for me. It's a tough day for. Oh, hold up. Here we go. It was a tough day for me, y'all. I ain't gonna even hold y'all. I tried to play the pop, and I went too heavy and over leverage. Wow. Just aggressive. It is what it is. I try my best, y'all. On 5 minutes? We're gonna see. I think the shorts might come in more. Shorts looking heavy. Yeah, shorts looking heavy. Looks like I need to get into a short. Or we're gonna bounce at the fair value gap. Or we're gonna bounce at this little tiny 5-minute fair value gap. I believe not. Yeah, these shorts are crazy. CRT? Man, it's just printing. Goodness. Here come a retracement. I couldn't even get in that short. It's so aggressive. Like I couldn't find myself just wanting to get into that short. It's too aggressive. Way too aggressive. Way. Sheesh. Here goes another pop probably. Jeez, man, this market is not playing. Gotta be patient. I was humbled on this one. I ain't gonna lie, I was humbled. Really thought we were gonna get that bounce right here. Humbled. Still I got a little liquidity below. I'm gonna see about a short. If it don't tank like a million slots. Jeez. The absorption is crazy. Crazy. It absorbs so fast. So fast. Wow. Wow. Bro, this market is aggressive. I ain't gonna lie. This is an aggressive market. But yeah, I'm close to blowing, by the way. This is a 50K account I just bought, and I'm close to blowing it. I thought I could pass it in like half one day. Wow. So aggressive. Wow. And I'm about to be stopped out. Wow. That was a big bounce right here. This might be the bounce. Might have to get out of that. Wow. Jeez. Wow, bro, this market is not playing today. It is not playing today. You know what's so crazy? The market is hitting points. Like you might see bounces, right? Like might see zone bounces, but the market is not even tapping into full liquidity. It's like literally it's like you had a liquidity line down here and it comes down and just reverses. Bro, that's scary. That is some scary. I might add right here too. If we can get the pop back down. Nope, blown. Two. Wow, bro. Hey, I tried it. See me blowing the account. I tried it. I tried it, Carl. I tried it. Put the sad face, y'all. Put the sad face. I try to pass an account in an instant, but gotta put the crying face. Y'all see me down. Y'all see me down. Dang. Ineligible. Dang. Play me. We down on the day. We're blowing the account. Let me look at my executions. Wow. And I was up on it too, but it just, man, wow. This might be the drop too. Wow. Thought this was the reject. Came back up half point, might reject. It is what it is, you know? It is what it is. I did my best. I try to buy up here to go follow up that last liquidity point. Same thing with ES. I was hoping that it was going to pop back up, but it didn't. Retracement because we was going to, of course, sell off. Macro time. Sold off. Man, we just did a weird number. Fake outs. They're just creating a lot of fake outs. Wow. Well, it is what it is. If I buy another account, then that's just me be gambling. I need to take my time, not spend all too much money. Now here come a drop. Patience. Should have just had patience. Now, if I wouldn't gotten it, I was trying to get in. I thought I was going to be able to catch that drop, but the drop is absorbing a lot. It is what it is. I guess I'll just start fresh Monday. Maybe just do my Apex PA. Wow. They're stalling. So many sellers, bro. They got so many sellers on these books right now. So many sellers are on the books right now, and they're trying to hold. I don't know, bro. It's weird. They're trying to hold this level. And look, there you go. Bop. I didn't have enough margin. I should have just went in a little light. Maybe got back 400 and just slowly took it back, but I went in too heavy. Oh, good though. Shorts did come through. I think they're gonna continue to push down. Let me take off these executions. Oh, that's not executions. I'm tripping. Hold on, is it working? What's going on? Hold on. What? Why is it doing that? Hold on, y'all. There you go. All right. I know. It's eligible for funding. I get it. I see it. I know. Don't hurt my feelings. All right, but look. If you do take a trade, if y'all do take a trade, I have a opinion. I have a suggestion. You have a one hour. I should have waited for this part here. You got a 1 hour fair value you got right here. You also got a 1 hour demand zone. Somewhere in this range, I can see a possible long. Somewhere in this range, unless we short all the way down and take out this for this little imbalance below. Because look, we do got an imbalance below. If you all still watching, we do got an imbalance right here. If we go take that out. But look also right here. We got a 1 hour demand. Also on ES. 1 hour demand. And 1 hour fair value. We just pop back up. Oh my bro. Y'all see this liquidity? Look at this. I want to show y'all something. Right here. I don't know if y'all can see it. But right here. Hold up. There's a blue line right here, right? It just keeps, it's not tapping it, but it rejects right here. It just keeps trying to reject in this area. But they got a blue, you have liquidity that lies right here, and it's not even going for it. Traps, bro. Traps. Crazy work. But good job on them shorts if you caught them shorts. I kept trying to get that short, but they just keep trying to trap us out. It's like they know we're looking for that. Amazing, amazing. Wow. Absolutely amazing. We're down on the day, -2. Wow. What is this? What is this? Chop. Come on, go for that liquidity below. They know it wants to. Look at these highs. We didn't even break. We didn't break twice. Lows gotta come. Shorts gotta come. Stop above right here. Keep it a little tight. It gotta come. Come on now. This is way too nice. You're gonna pump? I know you might say, well, it might pump right here. It might pump. It might pump off this this right here. I'm gonna show you. It might pump off this block. That looks like a good block, which it can. But it's just amazing how it would literally. It's amazing how it would literally skip the liquidity at the lows. Literally skip the liquidity at the lows and just bounce back up. It literally just bounced back up. Market vicious, y'all. Market is vicious. We're down 2,000. Blown the account. It's all good though. It is what it is. We'll just buy another one. We'll see. 15. We got the 5 minute right here. Might be respecting this zone right here. This basing right here. But then again, it still looks short. Yeah, here they come. I think the short's about to start playing out right now. I want to see it. You're right. Taking out. This is what I got an entry at, but it's stalling. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Wow. When I start seeing the volume, like, you know what's crazy? Like, when I was saying wow, wow, wow right here, it's like almost as if there you go. The sellers was hitting the market so hard, bro. The sellers were hitting the market so hard, but something was keeping this market from selling off. And you just kept seeing like sellers, sellers, and then you just see this one buyer literally just pop out of nowhere, and they just keep holding the market. Crazy, bro. Crazy, crazy, crazy. And you just see constant wicking, constant wicking. Watch, constant wicks, bro. This market crazy, y'all. But hey, I tried. We'll catch it Monday though. Get that PA. Catch it Monday, get that PA, and we'll do good. I blew the 50 account. Got the 150, but I ain't do so good on that one either. I was still low on that one. This range, we're in this range. It's crazy. Wow. There you go. At what cost though? There come them sellers. About time. There go them sellers. About time. About time. Wow. Oh, yeah, wow. She wasn't paying attention. Oh, yes. Yo, Monday might be crazy. You know what I didn't realize? We didn't wick. We didn't wick on this candle yet. We just pumped. Oh, how did I fall for that? Look at this, bro. Yo, this is, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, bro. Don't tell me this is power of 3. Hey, yo. What's good? Hey, what's up, Deontay? Oh my goodness. Hey, tell me y'all seeing what I'm seeing. Tell me y'all seeing what I'm seeing. If I'm not seeing what I'm seeing, tell me I'm seeing what I think I'm seeing. Tell me I'm not thinking what I'm thinking. Tell me I'm not thinking what I'm thinking. Somebody they gonna say it. Tell me that I'm not thinking what I'm thinking. It's going good. I blew my PA. I mean my funded. I'm sorry. I blew my evaluation account, my combine. But we're gonna work on that. Oh man, this might be a power of 3. This might be a power of 3. Oh my goodness, a power of 3. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I might be seeing a power of 3. Beautiful trade. Y'all hear me? Your target should be right, man. Oh my goodness. If you're not seeing this, oh my goodness. How did I miss this? I didn't think we was gonna go for that move. Oh my goodness. All right, so we shorted quick. Big short. Oh my goodness. We might come and fill this imbalance below. Y'all hear me? We might come and fill this imbalance below. We might come fill this imbalance below. This might be the move. This might be the move. This might be the move. Y'all about to see a like once in a month type of play right here. And I missed it and I wasn't paying attention. Man, you know what? That's okay though. It's a learning curve. Happy when you winning and happy when you're losing because you learn from it. Right? Power of 3. We see the I'm gonna show you what I mean. Power of 3. If you know power 3, you know this already. We see the accumulation. The accumulation right here. Right? Right? We see the accumulation. Possible manipulation. Manipulation. And then we see the distribution. If it follows suit. Distribution. Right? You don't even gotta respect this. My trade was all wrong. And we underneath the previous day high. Manipulation. Here we go. This might be it. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Power 3. Power 3. Here we go. You might see it. This might be it. We might see that follow through. Whew. All I'm saying is we might see that retracement. We're gonna see that retracement probably back up to them 50s, right? We might see that retracement back up to this point right here. Get rid of that. Definitely get rid of this. Get rid of all this noise. Now we did have to bounce at the 1 hour. Why didn't I just take my trade at that 1 hour and get that bounce? Why didn't I just wait? Wait for my setup. Wait for my setup. I didn't take my setup. Yes, sir. Day trader, this is definitely about to tank, bro. Wait, I should have waited for my setup. I'm gonna go to an eligible one. I should have waited for my setup. Should have waited for my setup. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I know y'all see this. Now we might bounce. You know, you never know. But this looks heavy. ICT. This is ICT. Right? Wow. We're gonna see though. We're gonna see. It has to play out though. Man, y'all might be seeing a power of 3. Oh my goodness. This is like this trade right here on a high time frame don't always happen. This is what you call like a turtle. No, that's not a turtle play. This is what you call like a unicorn play. Y'all see it. Yes, sir. We still got some liquidity above at the 60s and the 70s, though. I don't know if it's gonna go for it, but we might chop around in this area. Might chop in this range. All because I was trying to go for them stupid longs. Why would I go for longs that is not in my trade? Why would I go for longs that are not in my setup? I didn't follow my setup. That's why I lost today, because I didn't follow my setup. I was too busy trying to chase price. I didn't follow my setup. This is a nice target though, by the way. I didn't follow my setup, and that's why I lost today. We got a target to this area right here. Okay, we got the 1 hour fair, 1 hour hot on 1 hour fair value gap respect. See if we can reject this and go short. But we do got some. We got some liquidity that lies below, above though. See if we can tap into that liquidity and take the shorts. Hey yo, I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Just watch this market for me. Be right back. Be right back. Still got some liquidity above though. We're gonna see if we'll tap into it. Man, I can't believe I really did not see this playing out. I should have just waited. I should have just waited. But that's what happens when you rush the market and just don't take your time. Stuff like this happens. Your max loss. This is the truth on just over trading, not following your rules, and over leveraging. Could have saved this account. So I'm on the ineligible one until they take it away. And such a chop though. Better go for that imbalance above. Let's see if I can get that imbalance above for that long. At the 60s. 63s. Wow, the sellers came in heavy. So I can get a quick scalp. I want to see if I can get a quick scalp into this long. Come on, stop below the lows. I'm gonna add more into this trade. $60s, $62s. Wow. Might have a rejection point up here though. If we can get this push. Whew, man. This is what happened when I just waited. Would have had a better trade for myself. Should have just waited. All right, so look, we got stopped out, made 745. Only if I would have been only if I would have just been patient. Patience, patience, patience. Patience would have got us the trade. All right, so we are tapping into some liquidity. Let's see if we're gonna get a rejection at this point. If this is gonna be a rejection point, is this actually power of 3? Can this be a power of 3? That's the question. Can this be a power of 3? We see the accumulation, possible manipulation, and then the distribution back down to these lows to take out this imbalance below. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. Cause that's what I was looking for. Ah man, I can't believe I missed that trade earlier. Should have just paid attention more. But that's why we're here. Yep, I'm gonna be getting off soon, y'all. At 10 o'clock, I'm gonna be getting off soon, so y'all can have a good weekend. But we're gonna see if this trade can play out. We gonna see. We gonna see. All right, here we go. A lot of rejection right here. A lot of liquidity just got tapped into, but now it looks like a big rejection is coming. Big rejection is coming. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we got. So can we get that full rejection? Look at the 15-minute. Oh wow. Aye. Whew. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow, they just tanked the crap out of this market. Y'all seeing this? Wow. Big moves. See if we can get that distribution, y'all. See if we can get that distribution. Another bounce at the 1 hour. 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute. Uh-oh. It's about to get heavy. This looks heavy. I'm gonna get into 3. I'm gonna get into 3. Put my stop above these highs right here. I'm gonna risk 300. And I'm gonna add more if we get the break. Look at that. Dang, this is looking heavy. I told y'all, here we go. Power 3. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. And our target is gonna be at these lows right here. Oh. What's up, Vibe Tribes? Man, look, bro. Blew another account. Didn't do so good. Try to catch the longs for a quick scout. I had a whole setup. But I was trading outside of my setup. So I blew the account, going too heavy, oversizing, and was not trading my setup. Blew the account. But I'm on this ineligible account right now. I'm thinking a power 3 right now is being I think a power 3 is forming. You know, the accumulation, the manipulation, and then the distribute. It looks beautiful. I saw it at the last minute until I seen this imbalance right here. I saw it at the last minute, but I ended up blowing our account up here at the top. This is where I blew my account at, thinking that it was gonna push long and keep pushing long. Even though we took out some liquidity, I was just hoping that we was gonna push a little higher. And nope. But other than that, that's it, man. That's what's good. But I think this power 3 is playing out. I think we're going back down for this imbalance below. I know I wasn't paying attention, especially with Asian and London hoes getting dropped into it. Just got a 100K account funded. That's what's up. Hey, my boy got the 100K funded. That's what's up. That's good stuff, man. Good work. That's good work. That's good work, y'all. Look, that's good, man. When you determine, you follow your rules, you do the right thing, you pass your accounts. Don't be like me and be greedy. Don't be like me and be greedy. Make sure you trade your setups, which I should have done. Trade my setup, and you don't over leverage. Now you can if you know what you're doing, but what I did wrong was I didn't trade my setup. I had a setup, but I was trading up here. Had a whole setup right here, but I traded up here. Knowing that it was taking out those Asian highs and them London highs. Knowing it was taking out them highs, and I still thought the longs were gonna come in, and I over leveraged on those longs. Right? Good job. See if we can get that push, man. See if we can get this push. It looks good. I ain't gonna lie. It looks good. It looks good. Sellers will keep selling. I don't see no buyers on the tape. Looking short. We look shorty. I can see the imbalance getting filled. What imbalance you may say? This big old gap right here. Big old gap right there. Nice imbalance. I would like to see that get filled up. Especially right here too. Oh, y'all can't even see it. You know what's crazy? I used to use RSI. I used to use it. It's funny. I used to use this a lot, but I just got rid of it because of how much we're kind of like stuff like this. I mean, I like this. We did buy high, like stuff like this. I really used to use this a lot, bro. That's what's crazy. Damn, I don't even remember why I stopped using it. I think I started getting into footprints, and that's wonder why I started getting rid of all of my indicators. But yeah, I'm gonna save that though, for sure. Actually, maybe I probably do gotta save. Let me look at my thing. No, I don't. Must be on my other one. I know. I thought we was gonna continue to go higher. I really thought it. I thought we was gonna grab some more liquidity. I really thought we was gonna do this right here. This move right here. But then I realized on a daily, we didn't even have a wick down here. I really thought we was gonna reject this and continue to go long and take out these highs. I started looking at a 4 hour thinking that we was gonna build up and go higher. You know, just keep taking out more highs. Like I thought, we took out one high. Why not take out another one? But then I didn't realize, I didn't pay attention. The 4 hour closed below this right here. And I said, oh snap. That's when I realized the power of 3. This was a perfect setup. A perfect trade that I missed because I was too busy trying to hurry up and take a trade and rush a trade. Perfect setup. Perfect setup. Beautiful, beautiful, man. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. But just seeing, like, you might say, oh, sell off right here, but how would you know to sell off all the way down? We got this imbalance right here. Wasn't paying attention. Missed a A+ trade unicorn setup. Missed it. Just by over trading and not trading my setup. Look on this daily. We ain't got no wick on this candle. Not one wick on this candle. Might go all the way down and then bounce back up. On a 4 hour, we couldn't even break the highs. We tapped into some liquidity in reverse. We didn't even break the highs. We didn't even break the highs. Why would I even trade that? Also on a 1 hour, we created a CRT, candle range theory. We came up, rejected, took out some liquidity, stopped right here and reversed. Why would I even take the longs on that? Right? Then we got this power of 3, perfect sell-off. Power of 3, accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. ICT setup. Also got this imbalance right here. Also got the imbalance on ES. So many confirmations that I missed. So many confirmations for the shorts that I missed that I just overlooked the obvious. I overlooked the obvious. But that's okay though. Good job on trading. Good job on that, passing that account vibes. Good job on that, bro. Real good stuff. Good stuff, good stuff. Power of 3, and I missed it. This candle, this wick was telling me though. I was ignoring it. This candle right here was telling me everything I needed to know, and I was ignoring it. It was the one and done, and I missed it. Now I could have took a shot at these highs. I could have. I was hoping that ES would have pushed into the highs a little bit more. Was hoping, you know what I'm saying? I was hoping that it would take out some more, but ES didn't even if you look at it, ES didn't even touch it. Like, he only took out some. Let me see, hold up. Let me see if it's 50%. Hold up, 50%. Watch this. If it's half point, I'm gonna be mad. Like, I was expecting it to literally, and you might say, oh, this is CISD right here. But we didn't take out this high. That's why I was too stuck on this. We didn't take out the high. We didn't even, you know what I'm saying? We didn't even touch it. I was so focused on ES not touching this high that we was gonna get maybe one more push, but overlooking it, overthinking, took the wrong trade and over leveraged and blew the account. That's what you don't do. Patience is everything. Good job, y'all. Everybody that took that short, good job. Proud of y'all. Y'all did that. Sometimes you gotta be humble, you know? I had to be humbled. All right, let me get rid of that. What is that? Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. I'm gonna be getting off in 6 more minutes, y'all. I was just wondering how market is going to open on Sunday with all this Iran and Israel stuff situation. Facts. The fact that we are like, yeah, I like how you thinking, because the fact that we are coming down like this, rejecting like this. Hey, if we get this rejection, I want to see us. I gotta see us break. If we break this, y'all, hey, we might see some big shorts come in. If we can break this right here, by Monday, oh my goodness. Even probably today, you know, you never know. Even probably today. If we break this, it's game on. We might see some big drops down to these points for this right here. Big liquidity. Big imbalance. We might see. We're gonna see if we can break some stuff. I would like to see us break. Nice short. This is beautiful, y'all. This is gorgeous. You can't even deny how gorgeous this play was. Oh my goodness. And you got the SR, the overextension on the relative strength index. Where's it at? Where you at? There you go. Bop. Overextended. On a 5-minute, he said we was overextended. Yeah, yeah, for sure. We had it once, but it was a fake out. Then we have it again, and it was a sharper one. Nice. 15 minutes for sure gonna give you that sharp pullback. Big drop. I think we gotta come back down some more. We got way more to come down. Good stuff though. Good stuff, Vibe Tribes. Good stuff. Good stuff. I know a lot of people took this trade. If somebody didn't take this trade like me, 21.774. 21.7. Yeah, I'm trying to catch that whole move. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to see that whole move get caught. Yeah, I mean, I think we're gonna come all the way down to this right here. This definitely needs, like, it needs to be taken out. I would like to see us touch this right here for sure, somewhere in this 20 level. But if it gets even crazier, we might even see previous day low get taken out. Because look, what happened was, look, we don't even have a wick on this candle. I'm like, that right there is alarming to me. Not even having a wick on this candle. Not one wick. Now I can see us maybe tap into that low and maybe bouncing. We don't even got a wick on that candle. You might see on every daily, look, on every day. Like, you don't have to have a wick like this if we don't have a wick. But that's an imbalance. This right here, that's crazy. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I got a safe spot. My safe spot is right here, right above this wick. Just in case we do tap into this and just bounce like crazy. Safe spot right there. Nice power 3 though. Good stuff, y'all. Whoever took that trade. Excellent. Excellent, excellent. Thanks for, and also thanks Vibe Tribe. Thanks for the advice though. I love any advice, even if I already know it already. I'm like, oh, I love it. I love it. I love it. The more confirmation, the better. The more I learn, the more I earn. The more you learn, the more you earn. The more you stay humble, the more you're gonna be rewarded. I pray you do good in that account, Vibe Tribe, for real. I pray you do really good in that account. I pray you prosper in it. Really make really good profits in it. Good job. Everybody else too, good job. Whoever's in the chat. Might be a little slow movement, but hey, we're gonna grind down. Might be slow, but it's gonna go down. This market's still selling off. On a 15-minute, we have no buyers on the books. We got an imbalance below too. I'm gonna show y'all. I wanna show y'all. So y'all can see like the footprints of it all. So y'all can see what it looks like. I know y'all wanna see what it looks like, at least. Like, what do you like? Is it gonna pump right here? Is it gonna shoot up right here? You know, yippee yappy. So look right here. I don't know if I can show y'all this. So we got this blue. Hold on, can we see it? What is this? Maybe that didn't work. Maybe that didn't work. Maybe that didn't work. Hold up. There it is. All right, so look. We got this imbalance below that needs to be filled. All this liquidity needs to be filled. But there's really no buyers on the books. Can you see? There's really no buyers. It's all sellers. Might come have a retracement back down to this imbalance right here in this middle part, this area of interest, but we might break back down. See? I got my stop. I got my TP at this liquidity point where it's like imbalances right here. See? We're pushing down to it. So we're gonna see if that can get mitigated. Good trade, everybody. You know how to trade, but you gotta hold your emotions and follow your rules. That's always the name of this game. Good job. Good job. Good job. No sellers on the 15-minute. We pushing. We're pushing. I mean, no buyers. I mean, on the 15-minute. We just pushing. Straight pushing. Shh. Yes, yes. Unless you crazy like me and you just like going all in. I like doing it sometimes. I ain't gonna lie. I've seen some big profits one day, and I was like, wow, yeah. And sometimes when you get that feeling, the level gotta gotta get right for sure. Bro, there was some days when I was like, whoa, going heavy really rewarded me. And then some days going heavy really destroyed me. So it comes with the wins comes with its losses. They do. They do. But the one that's slow gonna win the race because they know how to stack it. Sometimes I find myself some weeks I find myself doing the right thing for a week, and the next week I'm like in this gamble mode, or I'm like in this hurry up or extra over leveraging mode. It happens, you know. Sometimes nobody really talks about it. Sometimes some weeks you have your cycle where you're emotional. Some weeks you have your cycle where you just sharp as a nail, sharp as a knife, you know. Some weeks you have it. Or we pushing. You might see absorption, but we might push this thing down. That level crazy. Beautiful trade. Beautiful trade. Also on the 30 we got a, oh man, how did I miss that? Oh my goodness. I'm seeing the trade. I'm actually seeing the confirmation on the shorts. And I'm missing it. Oh my goodness, bro. Oh my goodness, bro. Beautiful. We getting an announcement today? No, I think that's really it. I think that's really it, bro. I really think if anything, it's gonna be some regular resource news or something simple. Other than that, this is just a sell-off, man. It's just this is the distribution. This is it. That's the distribution. That's the power of 3, ICT. This is it. That's it. The market's just selling off, having that correction. Backing down to that imbalance below. I think we can push a little bit more though, for sure. We're gonna see. Could have did good on my account. Good job to you. Hey, vibes, bro. Big ups to you, bro. I love seeing people do good in the chat. Doing your thing. And you too, Random. So no account closed on the account clicks. Hey, get off me, Random. Get off me. Yes, I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. Yes. This is what you like to see? The truth. I can't help it, man. I might as well be that guy that takes them licks. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is. I try to catch a long up here, and that was not the smart thing to do. Not the smart thing to do. Yep. Hey. Hey. Let's see what you talking about, Vi. Let's see what you talking about. Vi said he putting us on. He putting us on, y'all. Chat. He putting us on. I mean, I've been through a lot of indicators. I've been through a lot of indicators before. Wait, why I can't do it? Which one? You want top step, right? Yeah. Why is it saying if I can't wait? So when I type it in, it's not popping up. I know. Oh, trading view. On trading view. My bad. I was being retarded for a second. Let's see what you talking, my boy. My bad. Yeah, I was tripping. I wasn't reading all the way. Bro, is my kids going crazy back there? Go check up on them. They sound like they tripping back there. Wait, so when I type it in, like, is it this one? Is it this one? Can you see? Hold up. I don't think you can see it. Is it that one? The first one? Bro, I am dropping everything. Click, just fumbling. Fumbling the account, fumbling the bottles of water, fumbling the bag. Nah, we're gonna get back to it. Hey, Vaz, mommy asking how long you been trading for? How long you been trading for again? And how many accounts have you been through? Like, how many accounts have you actually traded and been through before? Good to see you live. How's Cody doing? Devontae. What's up? What's up, Devontae? He doing good. I haven't really talked to my brother in a minute. I gotta text him. I've been so worked up on kids and life. I haven't talked to him in a minute. But I think he's doing good. I talked to my other brother though. Let's see. Oh, well, yeah, I mean, let's see. Oh, okay, yeah. I like it. I like it. I like it. It looks almost as I can do it too. Like, I like it. That's dope. It makes it easy for me to see when I don't have to keep on charting. I won't do this on Top Step, because Top Step, man, they'll have your Top Step. Hey, ask me anything. I'll try to be honest as much as I can. I'll be honest as much as I can. As long as it ain't nothing crazy. As long as we stick it to the Lord. You know what I'm saying? As long as we keeping it 100. Okay? Go ahead. You can ask me though, for sure. Big bounce right here. That boy got the cheat codes. So you don't even gotta chart this stuff. Yes, yeah. Wow, you asking a personal question, my guy. Bruh, yes. To be truthful with you, what I was doing was the money ran short. I started doing deliveries. And once I started doing deliveries, well, I was trading and learning trading and using trading money also, but I was mostly doing deliveries because the money was going short. That's how I was paying my bills. Yep. Eventually, my car blew up in that time too, which was crazy, doing deliveries. But I was still working on trading. So I was able to do good in my trading. And here I am now. So yeah. Life hit. And that's the truth. Yes, vibe. Yes. Yeah, I had a good run. I ain't gonna lie. Before I started streaming, I was having like a nice little run with my payouts. Like I was literally, bro, I was getting paid. I'm gonna show you. It's just, I keep this on deck, though. I just keep this one on deck. I'm gonna show you. I was having these back to back. When I think about dividends, yeah, that's good if you're trying to hold for a whole year to get a return at the end of the year, for sure. But if you want to make money right now, Forex, futures, options, that'll be your speed. But if you wanna have something on the side and hold any type of index or equities, dividends all day. You know, hold your dividend at your stock at the end of the year, get your return, and call it a day. Get your 5 to 7 to 10% return, and call it a day. I'm gonna see if I can find it. Hold on. 7. I'm gonna call it 7. I was having a run, bro. I was. Sometimes and you know what's crazy? Your strategy changes a lot. I realize my strategy changes a lot, but I think I'm getting to a point where I'm getting really comfortable. Hold on. Hey, I got no choice, man. I can tell you the truth. It is what it is. It is what it is. But, bro, I had this thing I wanted to tell you. I was talking about, man, bro. Oh my goodness, how you mention this, bro? I was outside with my dad one day, bro, and I was talking about my setup, like how I keep blowing my accounts. Like I pass my accounts, get a payout, then blow it. Like I found myself going into a loop. And then all of a sudden, when I said I know what my problem is, I know what it is. My problem is I keep not taking my setups. Like I have my setup and won't take it. Like what I mean is I have a setup and I start trying to chase price when my setup is down here or my setup is up here. I try to chase price in the middle and I'll go heavy and blow my account. And then out of nowhere, bro, lightning strikes so hard near a tree near us. It was so loud, it almost felt like an answer from God, bro. It was so weird. I have it on video. Scared me, bro. I was like, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. As soon as I said it, it just happened. Here we go. Bro, before I even started streaming, I'm gonna show you real quick. I was going ham, bro. I'm gonna show you. Is this in July? No, yeah, I'm gonna show you. I was going ham in 1 month, bro. I don't know what it was. That month I had a lot of indicators this month, bro. A lot of indicators. That's the crazy thing. I had indicators. I had RSI at this time too. I had a lot of like indicators to show me the fact, bro. I was using it. That's what's crazy. It's funny how you bringing it back to my attention. Cause at first I started like getting rid of a lot of stuff and started trading on my own thing, like doing my own little thing, trying to get very simplified. But I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna show you real quick. Give me a second, y'all. Give me a second. Bro, I was not kidding. Look at the dates. Look at the dates. Look at where it says express and look at the dates. Bro, I was going ham. These couple, I keep these on deck because I got this one as early as I could. But I got more, a lot more. It's just the thing is, this month, bro, I was just going, I was up so much. I just kept taking payout after payout. I was doing so good. And then some months I was like taking 1 payout at a time. But this one I was taking like 3 to 4 payouts back to back, bro. I was going ham this month. Show you. And you can look at the date. You can see the month. It's the exact month. That month, I was just going crazy. You like, damn, bro, look at this. This whole month, I was taking payouts like crazy on Top Step. This whole month. Like crazy. I have another one. I gotta find it, though. It was insane. Insane. That's the thing, the payouts. And I have my live account. I also have my Apex, which I don't trade. I trade on my own time, but I just been leaving it. And I know that if I don't trade it, they're gonna disable it. I have to trade it. But them payouts was coming out back to back, bro. Where's the other one at? Is this it? Is this it? It's a little small because it's a little tiny. No, that's not it. Maybe I didn't screenshot it. But if you see these, I know I've probably seen these already. I was the first month of July, I took out 2,500. The next 5 days, I took out 2,200. The next 5 days again, I took out 1,900. I was going ham. And what I did was I was following my rules, and just taking a trade with the size I felt comfortable with. I had the indicators. I had everything that was just perfect with it. I had everything. VWAP. I had. You know what's crazy? I was probably off and on RSI, off and on these indicators like crazy. But then I eventually found footprints and I just kind of threw it to the side. I started slowing down because I had too much going on. Yes, sir. Vibe Tribe says, let me take this off, dog. Let me take this off. Let me take this off. Vibe Tribe says, hold up, why is it not showing? There we go. Vibe Tribe says, it's just crazy how 2 years ago I wanted a job that could make me $1,000 a week after taxes. Now, after going through the emotions of trading, that could be made in 5 minutes. Yes, sir. I have a long way to go, but I'm blessed to know this skill. Yes, sir. Me too. I'm only roughly 3 years in. Look at that retracement. Not bad. Could have took off some partials. Could have took off some partials. I mean, it's more humbling to take off partials than to let it run. Right? But me too. You're right. Me too. I have a lot to learn. Cause you know how to trade. It's just we all know how to trade. That's the crazy thing about this whole thing. We all know how to trade. It's just learning the market, having that screen time on different setups and different plays. You can have the best setup. I always say your setup, like, oh, this is my setup every time. That market gonna humble you every single time. And sometimes you don't like going slow. Sometimes you don't want to go slow. You want to like pick up the pace. You know, you want to pick up the pace so you can slow down. I had a nice account, bro. I was doing good. I had it to where they kept saying, you're going to a live, you're doing great. You're going to a live, you're doing great. And I found myself over trading and blowing 10,000 profits like crazy. I'm like, wow. I said, wow, what am I doing? Why am I messing up like this? But it is what it is. It is what it is. Just keep on getting good. Sometimes you have an off season, sometimes you have a good season. And it is what it is. And it's just for everybody that's listening that don't really understand, you know? But for y'all, look, I'm about to get off in a few. My kids are getting a little crazy. We got that putback. We had that push back up. Might take out partials. If we can get a nice rejection, I'm going to take out partials. Nice distribution right here, though. Hey, but vibe, though. Hey, yo, mess with me. Hey, yo, hit me up in the chat. Hit me up in the DMs, though, for sure, bro. I'll be seeing you. Hit me up, bro. I might hit you up a couple of times too. Appreciate your support. You too, Random. You too, Random. Everybody in the chat, appreciate the support. Thanks for the love. I'm about to be getting off, y'all. It's that time, bro. We're gonna pick it up Monday. We're gonna pick it up Monday. You keep me on my toes, I keep you on your toes. And also, it's gonna stop us out. Also, what's another thing? My kids are going crazy. Let me get off this real quick. Let me remove some of this stuff. They go crazy when they get bored. Y'all know how they go. Get rid of this. Also, remember that. But some things, honest man, some things we are unsure. Ecclesiastes chapter 11, verse 4. But there are some things that we cannot be sure of. You must take a chance. If you wait for the perfect time, you will never plant your seeds. If you're afraid that every cloud will bring rain, you will never harvest your crops. Even in the rain, even in the midst of the noise, we gotta take that chance, y'all. We gotta take that chance. Remember, we can throw the dice, but God determines how they fall. God determines how they fall. So take that chance now. Why not today? Also, Psalms chapter 1, verse 1. Blessed is the one who does not walk in the step with the wicked, or stand in the way of the sinners take, or sit in the company of mockers. Don't do it. Don't sit with the sinners. You might know sinners, but try to encourage them the right way. Because we don't fight evil with evil, we fight evil with goodness. But guess what? But whose delight is in the law of the Lord. If we take delight in the law of the Lord, the Bible, his words, right? We meditate on his law day and night. That person is like a tree that's planted by the streams of water, which yields fruit in its season, whose leaf do not wither, and whatever they do does prosper. So if we continue to stick it to the word, we continue to follow his word and stick to the word, pray to him constantly, have communion with God, obey him. I want to show y'all this video, bro. I was talking to my dad, bro. I was outside. I'm so serious. I was just outside. It's crazy. I was just outside, and I was telling him about, he was talking about what he was going through, and I was talking about what I was going through, and I was like, man, I'm blowing accounts. Like I had a good little run, but for some reason I feel like I'm in this season of just flip-flop. It ain't nothing to pass an account, but I'm in the season of my emotions. And for some reason, when I said this, and I have it on video, literally, I don't know if I can post it on here because it might just be choppy and long. I said, I know what my problem is. It's my setups. I'm not taking my setups. I'm not having confidence in my setups. I'm rushing trades. I'm over leveraging. I'm not being focused. I'm too busy entertaining to entertain in the stream. I need to be straight. If I'm going to trade, I need to trade. I need to take it seriously. And then out of nowhere, bro, when I say the tree is literally right here, a thunder strike and hit the tree, bro. I have it on video. I'm like, hey, no, I can show you on my phone. I can show you on my phone. It's so crazy. So crazy. I'm gonna show you right now. I'm gonna show you right now. Hold up, give me a second. Let me find it. Watch this. I was talking about breaking my rules, right? Talking about breaking my rules. Talking about my setup. Bro, y'all hear that? Y'all, bro, come on. What is that? Like, as soon as I said I need to start taking my setup, it literally strike. What was that? Bro, I don't know. I don't know. I think I've been finding myself just, I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Right, bro. I'm like, what in the world? Like, I don't know what to think. I'm just like, what do I do about that? Hey, it is what it is, you know? Just gotta continue to put my faith in him, that's all. As long as I put my faith in him, I think I'm gonna be alright. I know I'm gonna be alright. Alright, y'all, look. Yeah. That's crazy, right? That's crazy. That's crazy. It threw me off. It threw me off, bro. It threw me off. But I'm gonna get off, so I'm gonna get off soon. I'm gonna give it like 10 more minutes. I wanna see if this play gonna play out and maybe drop. If not, then I'm gonna just get off. I gotta go tend to my kids. It was too close to be coincidence. It was like, bro, okay, like what? I can see if I were just sitting there, we were just sitting there like just relaxing and that's it, and it happened. It almost happened when as if I was talking. Hey, no, I seen that too, for sure, vibes. I actually seen that too. Trading has brought people closer to God. It's crazy. Some things really, it's crazy. I don't know, man. I can preach this word all day and still be sinning. I can preach this word all day and still not be right with God. That's the truth. I gotta do better, man. I gotta do better. Even if I think I'm doing good, I still gotta do better. I gotta be stronger. I gotta be more faithful. I gotta follow my rules, be more obedient. Cause he might say, hey, I got a blessing for you. I have a blessing for you, but you just keep blocking the blessing. You gotta obey. He's powerful. God bless y'all, man. Yeah, these traders, man. Everybody's. I don't know. I don't know. But anyways, y'all, look. Make sure y'all follow me on social media. Like and subscribe. Hope y'all really enjoyed the stream. I have fun. I ain't gonna lie. I have fun. Really, I'm glad y'all shared y'all stuff. Hey, thanks for joining, Devontae. Thanks for joining, Val Tribes. Thanks for joining. Random, thanks for joining. Everybody in the chat, all the way at the tippy top. Day traders, thanks for joining. Meme, Nick, Abdul, Joel, thanks for joining. Appreciate y'all. Love y'all. And I hope y'all have a blessed weekend, a blessed day. Have a good one. And make sure y'all stay close into that